laying down.
In a little while, right?
Chase took a flight.
Hey, Tria.
These ones. This is what they're doing.
Too much trailer.
Fucking trailer park boys.
We out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Filmer getting filmed. Filmer getting filmed.
What it is you're tapping out before you're hitting dirt.
Oh, so should I just go deeper with it?
Like your common problem?
Yeah, he's putting them back. Hell yeah.
It's always something, bud. It's always something.
Dude, these Harleys.
It's a Harley thing.
Junk.
I can't even hardly get it to swinging first.
What do you mean?
Hey, like the tire's like bouncing, it's so low.
Yeah, click that fucking third gear, my boy.
I'll try. What's a good
Common music?
I listen to common music. With Sammy Stunts. Pam is rolling deep right now on Slick's bike. It is insane looking. It is amazing. You just smile every time you see it.
Don't be looking over there at that stack of tires. It's two.
Technically, I did put my hands on that thingy to get it here.
Technically, I brought them both.
Technically, I already used my one that I was gonna put on, so that one is yours. That's fair. Man of my word.
Technically, you guys can get fucked. Going left.
I held out Larry for a while. Roasted her.
Dude, you're looking so smooth.
Just hold him. I'm just glad I'm not getting fucking dizzy.
Yeah.
Dude.
Dude, you hold him for a while. If you like lock in on something or something.
How do you get out?
You go to exit and you're like, where the fuck am I?
Oh yeah, you did a pretty good job on this one.
Oh, dude.
I hated this tire. I was like, let me just finish this one off, you know? Usually I like...
Looks like one of those fronts.
Yeah, it is. One of the fronts. I don't know. It wasn't that good on this ground here. It's fine at the Amazon lot.
Yeah.
Here,
So you got a 17 on this back?
16.
16.
Yeah, I used to have an 18 and then...
Dude, tires are too hard to come by.
Yeah,
for
exactly.
that.
So I was like, dude, I need to go back to a 16 so I can run the, 16 because you can come by those all day. But then I found out that you can run the 18
Right.
at 180s.
Yeah.
I was like,
Jeff just found that out.
yeah. After I did all the ordering,
swap?
I've got 2 of these 16s now, and I'm like, dude, it would have been nice to just have like 18s, but they're still kind of hard to come by, the 18s.
Do you still have the wheel though, the 18?
Yeah, my wife actually has it on.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah, I gave her my set. She has the
Clean.
Yeah, it's on her dyno.
Yeah, but it's not like a stunt.
Man, I can't swim over with them.
Carburetor bikes are go by
Chris is trying to
instead of
push me in the deep
carburetor,
end.
but that's it. Yeah, that was hard. Some people and people try to make this feel lighter. And I've made one on the other corner, one on this. There you go, guys. That was getting Are you ready?
So, what did you think about Arizona Bike Week?
Huh?
What did you think about Arizona Bike Week?
I loved it. It was fun. A lot of good times. It was nice to ride in some sunshine and actually ride, not just sit in a parking lot. It was fast. It wasn't really long enough. I feel like we just got here yesterday. We did a lot of stuff. Saw a lot of friends. Ready to go home.
Yep,